Hello friends, day 94, and I came out of Invermoriston this morning, climbed up onto what I think is probably the best section of the Great Glen Way between Invermoriston and Fort Augustus, and was met by lots of runners, and they were running the entire length of the Great Glen Way, 73 miles between 1 o'clock this morning and 11 o'clock tonight, so 22 hours to do 73 miles. I've come on to Laggan Locks, nice easy section between Fort Augustus and here, just pretty level, following the side of the lock and the canal. Let's have a look at where I've been and see you on the trail.
Hiya, so my name's Martin. I'm doing an ultra trail marathon called the Great Glen Ultra. It starts at Fort William on the west coast of Scotland and runs up over the hills through to Inverness. It's 73 miles long. We are 63 kilometers into it. I don't know what that is in miles, and nearly 9 hours. It's a lovely day.
My room with a view tonight is at Laggan Locks on the Caledonian Canal, and what a view! Look at that!